Hello everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a keto sugar-free hot chocolate mix. This hot chocolate mix is super simple to make and it's really delicious. You ready? Let's get started. Let's go over some of the items that I'm going to use today. I'm going to use an airtight container, so I'm using a glass jar. I'm going to use Redmond salt. I'm going to need measuring cups, a measuring spoon, powdered baking cocoa, non-fat dry milk, and Swerve. All right, so the next thing we're going to do is start mixing our hot chocolate mix. We're going to use 2 cups of Swerve. Okay. We're going to use 2 cups of non-fat dry milk. We're going to use 1 cup of cocoa powder. And we're going to have 1/8 of a teaspoon of salt. There's our salt. Okay, so we have all of our ingredients in our bowl. Now we're just going to mix them together. Such a simple recipe. Look at this. This is a great gift during the winter, during holidays, for your coworkers, your grandkids, your children. I'm making this for my family. So this recipe right here will make 20 servings. Okay, so you're going to need 1/4 cup added to your mug full of 8 ounces of water, and this will give you the most delicious hot chocolate. Okay, so let me keep mixing this. So this is a sugar-free hot chocolate, keto. You're diabetic. All right. So now I have it all mixed together. All we're going to do now is put it in our glass jars. All right. This makes 1 quart of hot chocolate mix. It's 25 servings. Oh, I'm sorry, it's 20 servings. All right, look at that. It's filled to the brim. So there we go. That's simple to make your own hot chocolate mix. And because we used the non-fat milk, this is good on your shelf for 1 to 2 years. So there you go. If you want to use the whole milk, dry milk, if you want to use whole, it's only good for 6 months on the shelf. All right, so we're going to make some hot chocolate. We're going to use 1/4 cup of our mix that we just made and put it in our cup. And we're going to take our hot water and add it. All right. We'll gently stir it together. Dissolve all of our powder. Oh, look at that. Yummy. Dissolves really easy and fast. If you want, you can put some marshmallows or whipped cream on top. Let's see. Oh, super good, guys. All right. So I have a brownie that we made the other day. So if you'd like to see my keto brownie recipe, look at this yummy, thick, fluffy, chocolatey brownie. So there you go, guys. There's the perfect winter Christmas snack. All right, so as you can see, it's really simple to make this hot chocolate mix. All right, so let's just go over some of the items that we need. Just remember that your sweetener and your dry milk are going to be the same amount. So to make 1 quart jar of powder, which is 20 servings, okay, you'll need 2 cups of swerve and 2 cups of dry milk. So if you want to make 3 cups of swerve, it'll be 3 cups of dry milk. Okay, so always balance your sweetener and your dry milk. So 1 and 1. And then we will add 1 cup of cocoa powder and 1/8 of a teaspoon of Redmond salt. All right, guys, don't forget to store your mixture in an airtight container. Now remember that a non-fat dry milk is good for 1 to 2 years on your shelf, and if you want to use whole milk, it's only good for about 6 months. All right, guys, so I'll see you in the next video. Bye.
Like and subscribe to Grandma's channel. Like and subscribe to Grandma's channel.